Hi guys! Welcome to our channel เรียนไทย by แก้มฝ้าย
I am Gam.
I am Fai. We are going to teach you Thai in a very easy and simple way. Let's learn Thai together.
Similar Pronunciation EP 6 มาเรียนการออกเสียงเป็นภาษาไทยตอนที่ 6 Medicine we say ya ya with a high tone. Second word we say ya ya it means don't with a low tone. And the last word is grandmother. We say ya ya with a falling tone. Now let's say it all together. Ya 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 again please. Ya ya ya. So be careful once you use these words because it could be different meaning when you pronounce it wrong. See, Thai is not hard, is it?
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel so that you can learn Thai easily and don't miss the content from us.